Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to discuss about how NotebookLM uses your content. This is about privacy and safety. I would like to discuss how NotebookLM uses the content that you upload in the tool. The very first question many students ask is my data safe with this AI tool? And that is a great question. Let's break it down simply. How NotebookLM handles your content and what it does behind the scenes and how you stay in control. Your content stays private. Google NotebookLM is designed to work with your own documents, but those documents stay private to you only. They are not used to train Google's general AI models. They are not shared with anybody else unless you decide to share it with some people. Google clearly states your notebooks that you create in Google Notebook LM are private unless you explicitly share them with others. AI reads but does not learn from you. Notebook LM uses your sources to generate responses inside the notebook, but, and this is the key, it does not remember your content outside of that notebook. It does not feed your data back to Google's large models. It does not build a profile of you for ads or tracking. And it does not learn your content to use elsewhere. It only analyzes your sources to answer questions and summarize within that notebook. Source-based AI, not open internet AI. Unlike general AI tools like ChatGPT or BART that use internet training data, NotebookLM works only with what you feed it. Your Google documents, your PDFs, any links or notes you add manually. It is like giving an AI a reading list and asking it questions only from that list. Okay, let's go to the next point. You stay in control. You can delete notebooks anytime. You can remove sources. You can see what sources that the AI is referencing for each answer. This gives you full control over what the AI sees and uses. If you delete a source, it's gone. The AI no longer has access to it. So you have complete control of all the data that you upload in Google Notebook LM. At any point in time, if you want to remove, you can remove. It is gone. It is not going to save in Google servers or something. The AI is no longer has access to it. Responsible AI in action. Notebook LM is still experimental and Google is taking a safety first approach. It limits how creative or hallucinated the answers can be. So there is not so much hallucination in Google Notebook LM. It highlights which source a fact came from. This we have discussed in the last video. It highlights from which source or which line that information it came from. This makes it a powerful assistant, not a replacement for critical thinking. So the recap is your content stays private, AI reads but does not retain or train on your data, no data shared with others, you can delete and manage sources anytime and the answers are grounded in your documents. Alright, I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.